Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will be talking about how to sand two types of dents. The first dent is a dent on a flat surface and the second one is dent on a curved surface. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then consider subscribing if you love to learn auto body and painting. So without any further more delay, let's get started. So the first dent which I will be talking about is the dent on a flat surface. Dent on a flat surface. So this is the side view, and if this is a flat surface and if there is a dent like this in your surface, so this is the top view. If you look from top, there is a dent there. Now when you see a dent like this, if the dent is too much inside, then first thing what you will do is you will bang the dent out as much as possible. Just imagine that you have taken out the dent as much as possible, but still there is some amount of dent left there. Now when on a flat surface, you will sand this down with the 80 grit sandpaper first, and once you create those scratches, the next thing what you will do is you will fill up the body filler. So just imagine you have filled up a body filler here. Now the next thing what you will be doing is you will be using a sanding block like this to do sanding like this on top. So you will put a sandpaper on top of this and start to do the sanding and level the dent with a 80 grit sandpaper. Now when on a flat surface, there is not much big deal about it, because when you sand it like this flat on the surface, automatically your dent will get leveled like this because you are using a flat block. So there is no rocket science in that. Hoping that you all guys have understood till here. So this was sanding a dent on a flat surface. Now the next thing what we will be looking at is sanding a dent on a curved surface, which can be slightly tricky. I'll show you how. First let me wipe this thing off. Okay, the drawings are pathetic, I know guys, please understand. I'm not an artist. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to sand a dent on a curved surface. Now just imagine that this is a curved surface and there is a dent right here. This is the top view will be the same. So the first thing, you will bang the dent out as much as you can, and just imagine there is a slight dent here now because you took out most of the dent. Now since this is a curved surface, the next thing is you will sand this with the 80 grit sandpaper to create the grooves for the body filler to hold on to. Then the next thing, you will fill up the body filler. Just imagine you filled up the body filler. Now the body filler has dried up. The next thing is you will be sanding the body filler. Now here things can get slightly tricky guys, even if you are using a block. So just imagine that you are using a block like this to do the sanding on top like this. Now if you only sand on this part with a flat block, what will happen is instead of getting the curve, you will get a flat surface like this. Okay, so this drawing is slightly better than what I had drawn before. So now when you are sanding on a curved surface, this is the curved surface, and after sanding it with a flat block, if you sand for too long, just right on this part if you sand for too long, then what will happen is only this part will get flat. As you can see, this part will get flat and the sides will be curved as usual. Now what will happen is when you apply the primer, you will see a nice curve, then a flat surface here, and then again a curve, which we don't want. So to avoid that, what you should be doing is when you are sanding with a block, you should not only sand here on this spot for too long to flatten up the body filler, but you should be sanding like this, so that the body filler will get the shape of the panel and it will make the curve a nice curve like this. Oops. So that, I know my drawing is not that good guys, please excuse me for that, but I'm hoping that you all have understood what I'm trying to tell you. When you use the block, when you sand from here to like this on the curve, and not only here like this, then you will get that nice curve and the shape of that surface. Sometimes what we do is we sand only the body filler on top and the area becomes flat here like this, which we don't want. Now on the top view, if this is a curved surface, then I should not be sanding only this part, but I should be sanding on the curve like this. Hoping that you got what I am trying to tell you. Now once you get to the point where you got the nice curve, then you will have to use the next sandpaper and continue with the normal process. So guys, hoping that you all guys have understood what I am trying to tell you here. Now if you have any questions, then see that you comment below and ask me, and I will try to clarify as many questions as I can. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I release my next video. And like this, you will never miss any of my videos. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town.